I'm Miss.Adaventure of the Woman Workshop. Today on What Does This Mean? Let's talk about vegetarians. You know, we have talked about vegans. Now, who are vegetarians? Remember then when it was in vogue, right? So, vegetarians are people who abstain from eating meat. That is red meat, fish, seafood, poultry. They say no. All right. Now, what is the difference between a vegetarian and a vegan? A strict vegetarian is somebody who does not eat these things I've mentioned, and they do not eat their byproducts. So, a strict vegetarian is a vegan, right? Get that? Now, vegetarians eat the byproducts of meat. So, while a vegetarian will not eat meat, a vegetarian can eat eggs. A vegetarian will drink milk. All right? So they will not eat the cow, but they will drink the milk. And that is the difference between the two. Thank you very much for watching.